Hey guys, the Rage here. So I want to show you guys how to use this, Tychesy smart body tape measurement. It's really amazing, super easy to do. It does not take two people like normally. Basically, what you do, you just pull the tab, activates the device. You click it in here. See, there's a little tab. You click. So now you have this little loop. The app will tell you where to measure and will show you exactly where to measure. And shows you perfectly, where you're supposed to place it. So for example, it's asking for my head. So you make it a little bigger. And then you push a button and it snaps into place. So now that has the measurement of my head and the app actually shows it. And you have one little button where you push to confirm it. There you go. Now it moves to the next body part. Once you confirm it, you just push over here. Oops, dropped my phone. So that's my head. That's how big my head is. You push over here, and now it moves to the neck. So now it's the neck. And then you just put it. Feels like a little bit strangling yourself, but it's not. It's very gentle. Okay. And then you don't even have to look at it. You just push the button, and the app registers the neck. Now it's asking for the shoulder. So, you make it bigger. And you have two choices. You can make it bigger and slide into the loop, or you can actually unclick, put around you and loop it. I prefer to do it this way. It's just easier. This is the shoulder, so we gotta keep the arms in there. All right. I keep putting my arm in the wrong place. But anyways, shoulders over here. Super easy to do. Just make sure you have your loop big enough. Oh. And hooked around your shoulders in the right area. The app shows you where, but So then mine is 121, about the centimeters, 47 inches, and you tap it. So, and you go do that for every body part, and then it notates where each one is. You can save it, and then once you save it, it will give you like your total and stuff. So it's really great. And you can see your health. You can see the dates and how much there were. So you can go back and compare, make sure you're improving. If you're building muscle or if you're trying to lose weight. This is really great to way to measure, make sure it's working. So I wish I had one of this before. And because I always be measured with the tape, and it's it's not very accurate. This is super accurate, easy to use, and has an app. The tape requires two people, so this one doesn't. You can do it yourself. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed this video and these instructions on how to use it. The smart, Tychesy smart body measurement. Take care, guys. Bye.